Hello beautiful people out there, hope you guys are all doing great. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a hat in Adobe Illustrator. If you are new in this channel and you want to receive more videos like this, please don't forget to hit on that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you won't miss anything. When you head over to your shapes or your tools, you will find out that there is nothing like the hat shape or the hat tool. So you have to use your brain to create this shape. Select the ellipse tool. If you don't find this ellipse tool here, you just press L on your keyboard. Drag it like this without holding shift. I have red color, but if you don't have this red color, just toggle over here, click on this, and then you double click, you pick your color here. So if I'm picking blue, it will appear blue. Just select it here and hold down shift, and when you get this sign at the edge of that shape, you rotate. It will go 45 degrees whenever you hold down shift. Let me go back, Control Z. If I don't hold shift, I want to rotate it like this. You see it is showing me 17 degrees. It is not following that particular angle. I will hold down shift and then I'll just go 45 degrees. Control C to copy, or you go to edit and then copy. Next, we have to paste in place so that it should maintain this same position. So go to edit and then you use paste in place, that is shift plus control plus V. After using the paste in place, you have to hold down shift again, rotate 45 degrees, and you rotate another 45 degrees. You have to use what we call the shape builder tool. It is found here, the shape builder tool. If you can't find the shape builder tool here, then you press shift plus M. But before you choose the shape builder tool, first make sure you select both shapes by simply dragging over the two shapes to select both. Select the shape builder tool. When you select the shape builder tool and hover it over those selected shapes, you will find this, and you will also find a plus sign on your cursor. Plus sign means you want to include that part, and if you hold down Alt, it means you want to remove that part. Your cursor comes with a negative sign when you hold down Alt or Option unmarked. I want to keep this part and this part and eliminate this one and this one. Just simply do like this and select this shape. So this is what we selected, and we have to eliminate this one. Hold down Alt, just click once here and you click once there. If you come to your layers panel, you will realize that we have just one. The shape builder tool just combines everything you select using the plus. It combines everything together. This is what we wanted to create, the hat. If you want to do any modification, just select the curvature tool. I will add another feature. I will select line. To create a perfect line, you have to hold down shift like this. That is it. Take your curvature tool at the middle of it, just do, it is too much, still using the curvature tool. Yes, and then I will use the stroke. Go over to this, or you go to Windows. If you don't have your stroke panel here, just go to Windows, go down, and you will find stroke. Just make sure you go down, and this is stroke. When you click on stroke or use Control F10, then your stroke panel will appear here. So I want to increase my stroke by maybe 10 If I want these edges to have a round shape or a round cap, make sure you select the stroke and then you click on this round cap. I want the stroke to be white. I double click on this and I pick white. I want to also add a blur tool on this shape, so I have to select this shape only. I go to effects, go down to blur and Gaussian blur. Blur it to any amount you want. I think that is too much. Okay, that is how you can easily create a heart shape in Adobe Illustrator. You can use this to create Valentine gift card and any other loved gift cards for your loved ones. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, don't forget to like and share. I will see you in the next tutorial.